folks, today I'm going to show you how to remove a ball joint. This is the type of ball joint that's pressed into the lower control arm. So first we remove the wheel. So I've removed the disc, caliper and pads just because I'll be replacing them myself later on. You don't have to do that, but it gives you a lot more access. So this is our ball joint down here. We can see it's pressed in type. If we line it up with the new one, you can see it's pressed in from the bottom and held in by a 19mm nut on the top. So we have to crack it open using a 19mm spanner. There isn't room to get in a ratchet or a socket, so a spanner is the only way. Once you've removed this nut, the 19mm nut from the top of the ball joint, which can often be quite a hard job, if you find that the ball joint itself is spinning, you can put a needle nose pliers in at the bottom to hold it while you get your spanner on the top. So after we get off, big hammer, you need to hit the part that it goes through. And we see that broke it loose. So using a pry bar, we can pry from the inside of the wishbone down. And pop off the bottom of the wishbone. At this stage, if you have a special tool, you can push the whole ball joint unit through and out the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the whole wishbone control arm, and there's two bolts, one right at the back right and one at the back left, and then I can put the whole wishbone into the vise to remove it. So this is the wishbone out of the car now, and we can see the ball joint here. I've set up pullers here. I'm going to try this, hopefully it'll work. So you have obviously the two pulling ends of it attached to the wishbone and the pushing part attached to the ball joint. So we're going to try this, hopefully it'll work. That's our ball joint out. Wasn't too hard. Now the most important thing to check is that this inner diameter is the same on your new one. So now I have this surface cleaned out. If it's very rusty, you can give it a light sand. We're going to just tap the ball joint from the back gently into the hammer. You can see it's fully seated. These ball joints don't have a C-clip or a circlip. They're designed, the pressure of the flange is designed to hold it in by itself. So we now have our lower control arm back in with the new ball joint in place. So I can position it in the hole, lift it up and put on the nut. So to stop the ball spinning, we can put a jack under the control arm, lift it up. That will seat the ball joint into place, and we can tighten it up using a spanner. So that's our new ball joint in place now. Hopefully this video was of some use to you. Thanks. Bye.